Fix and DIY. Guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to install a fender flare on your car. So this is our car, Hyundai Eon. So as you can see, we're going to install a fender flare because of the offset wheels. This is to block the mud. So that's why we're going to install a fender flare. So the things that you need to prepare for you to be able to install the fender flare, of course, this Phillips screw, some screws, and a double adhesive tape. So now we're going to clean the fender first before we install the fender flares, because we're going to use a double adhesive tape. So we have to make sure that all the surface are clean. So we have to clean this one. So next you need to grab some pen. So we're gonna put some marks here. Yes. We're gonna put some marks on the tip of the fender flare here and also here. So simple, we're just going to follow this guide. It's going to be like this. So we're gonna put some a 3M double adhesive tape on the edge. Here. Okay. Then we're gonna put some screws here. So you're also going to put some screws here. So now guys, we already installed the fender flare. So this is how it looks like. Let's check on the other side. Okay. And also we're going to install the rear. So hopefully you enjoy watching this video and you learn on how to install fender flare on your car. So for those who are not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.